Sante's Pure Organic Barley, certified organic by BioGrow from New Zealand, is nature's way to boost the body's immune system to fight off harmful infectious agents. Each glass is high in vitamins, minerals, chlorophyll, carotenoids, and it's gluten-free to offer all the defense your body needs to fight off infections and disease. A proper diet, exercise, and rest is also key in strengthening the immune system, which is the best line of defense against potential infections. So enjoy a glass of Sante's Pure Organic Barley with Stevia to boost your immune system and protect yourself from harmful infections that invade the body.
It's a new day to challenge yourself. Take courage and be of service to others. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Take confidence and give more than what's expected. And to take on these challenges, I take Daily C. It's a non-acidic vitamin C, so you can take it every day, giving you extra immunity and protection as you take your daily challenges. So don't take my word for it. Take on every day with Daily C.
Pansin, araw-araw tayong susugod sa isang labanan. Sa bawat araw, ang katawan natin ay na-expose sa iba't ibang bagay na maaaring makaapekto sa ating kalusugan, gaya ng polusyon, ultraviolet rays na mula sa araw, mga microorganisms na nagdadala ng sakit, at mga free radicals na unti-unting dinadamage ang ating mga cells. Ang nagsisilbing depensa ng ating katawan mula rito ay ang ating immune system, kaya kailangan natin itong alagaan ng mabuti. Kaya naman ugaling uminom ng Sante Daily C para sa araw-araw na dose ng vitamin C. It helps with growth development and repair of our body. Nakakatulong din ito sa pagpapalakas ng ating immune system at sa pag-improve ng iron absorption, eye health at skin health. Ang Sante Daily C ay sodium ascorbate, kaya hindi ito acidic gaya ng ibang vitamin C. Ito din ay mabuti para sa mga individual na may sensitive tummy. Kaya naman stay healthy 24/7 with Sante Daily C, the non-acidic vitamin C for a stronger, healthier you, so you can seize the day to live more and do more. This is Kuya Kim, and I'm on grass.
Savor the aroma and flavor of this healthier coffee blend alternative, specially formulated for mental alertness and energy. One box comes with 10 sachets of 15-gram packets. Each easily dissolves in hot water, unleashing the Robusta coffee goodness enhanced with young organic barley grass to keep you focused and strong so you can take on the rest of the day with energetic zeal. Sante Fusion Coffee. Sante Fiber Energy is the perfect supplement for active individuals, young professionals, working parents, and people who are always on the go. This is a healthy beverage that helps boost energy and combat hunger cravings, plus it keeps your heart in tip-top shape. Simply enter 1 sachet of Sante Fiber Energy into a cup. Organic barley grass helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds maintain good glycemic and lipid control in the body. Oats contain components such as dietary fiber and lipids that contribute to maintaining a healthy body. A complete drink in itself for active individuals on the go. Sante Fiber Energy Drink with chia and oat snack. The energy drink kids and adults are free to enjoy. Sante Choco Barley. One box has 10 sachets of pure chocolatey and barley goodness. Premium cocoa powder mixed with organic young barley grass makes a mix high in calcium for strong bones and teeth, protein for all-day energy, and dietary fiber completes this healthy formula. Enjoy it hot or cold. Just dissolve one sachet in hot or cold water, mix, and it is ready to drink. Chocolate powder drink with barley.
Introducing a coffee cup experience like no other.
Break time. No time to go to a coffee shop. Luckily, there's always enough time for a cup of Barlicino. Because Barlicino is handy and quick to prepare. I can enjoy it even in the middle of a busy workday.
Each cup is a foamy, delicious, and comforting escape to real cappuccino goodness. With only 52 calories, non-dairy creamer, and stevia, it's a healthier coffee blend that's been infused with Sante Barley's certified organic barley grass.
Oh, hi. Traffic?
Yeah, as usual.
Here, have a cup of Barlicino.
Thanks. It's just what I need.
Coffee shop quality coffee in an instant with Barlicino.
More coffee, ma'am, sir?
Barlicino, your coffee shop experience in an instant.
Pushing yourself is never easy, so I'm glad I have my Fit and Trim to help me reach my goals. My name is Kat, and like you, I am many things. A daughter, a young professional, a triathlete, but no matter how busy I get, I always try to find some me time. Fit and Trim is a healthy blend of green tea lemon, L-carnitine, and Sante Barley's organic barley grass, mixed in with a bit of water. It's a refreshing, guiltless drink that I can take anytime. Rich in vitamin C, Fit and Trims is a powerful combination that keeps my metabolism in tip-top shape and helps dissolve body fat. Because when I work out, I let go. I leave behind all the unnecessary baggage, all the drama. Push away the negativity, and I race toward a healthier body and mind. So if you're like me and you want to do away with the things that are standing in the way of good health, grab yourself some Fit and Trim. Because it's time for a trim.
Hi everyone! Today I want to share my amazing skincare secret called Soleil. Soleil's key ingredients are marula oil, which comes from a tree in Africa, as well as Sante Barley's fresh organic barley grass, both of which are powerful antioxidants. That's why Soleil is so effective in keeping my skin healthy and glowing. Today, I'll be showing you how to use it as a facial, moisturizer, makeup primer, and more. I'm starting with a facial oil cleanse. It might sound a bit strange, but it's actually really effective. Because oil and water don't mix, using an oil-based product is more effective in dissolving the oil on my face and any other impurities that might be clogging my pores. As I apply it, I'm really enjoying the subtle scent of lavender. A little goes a long way, so I don't really need that much product. The next thing I'll need is a warm, damp towel to remove the oil. So I dab, dab, dab until the oily feeling is pretty much gone. And there you have it. I just gave myself a facial oil cleanse. When the weather outside is hot and humid, I like to apply a few drops to my hair to keep it shiny and healthy. But But that's not all you can do with Soleil. Soleil can also be used after exfoliating to reduce irritation or even to lighten stretch marks. Another one of my favorite uses for Soleil is as a makeup base. Soleil works wonders as a primer because it's easily absorbed by the skin and it's so lightweight that you hardly feel anything. Alternatively, you can also mix it in with your foundation. Soleil has so many uses and so many benefits that it's become my go-to skincare product. And that's how I keep glowing with Soleil.
Great day. Good evening sa lahat. Good evening. Good morning sa ibang parte ng mundo kung nasaan ka man. We are live in Facebook, YouTube, at syempre sa inyong lahat na nandito sa Zoom. We are 65,000. Hello Ian, hello Erica. Okay? So hindi ko babanggitin yung mga ibang nandito, no? So magandang gabi talaga, magandang araw. Kasi alam nyo, for tonight, this is a very, very special training kasi nag-segment lang po ako ngayon. No? So for tonight, we will just be discussing 2 products. Ito yung ating top 10 products. Nasa top 10 siya, no? Nasa top, no? Itong nutraceutical na sinasabi, okay? So naggawa ako ng poster, sabi ko, attend the training for tonight because we are just going to discuss the nutraceutical. Ano ba yung nutra? Ang nutra po ay pagkain at with pharmaceutical standards. Kaya nga sinasabi namin, okay, disclaimer tayo, no? Hindi po tayo gamot, pero nakakagamot tayo. Yan yung maganda, no? So I have an honor to introduce to you yung aking isa sa pinakamaganda, o di ba pinakamaganda? Pinakamabait kasi every time I ask her to do something for me, hindi yan nagno-no talaga, no? So introduce ko siya ng konti. She's an English online teacher, no? Used to be an online English teacher, turned into a real estate agent, no? One of the top. And then naging travel agent, ano rin siya, no? Owner. And then now she's a business owner of Santay International, okay? So hindi ko napapatagalin, let's all welcome Miss Erica Santos. Hi Erica, kamusta?
Hello everyone! So magandang gabi po sa mga viewers po natin dito sa loob ng Zoom. And also sa Facebook and YouTube. So good evening everyone. Hello world. So
Yes.
tama, ayan. So tama po yung sinabi ni Miss Bing.
So Erica, I know you're going to discuss two of our very, very best product, no? Nutraceuticals. Dalawa lang naman ang Nutra. All the rest are not nutraceuticals. No, meron tayong, abangan nyo next, kasi we'll be discussing health and beverage series and then the bath and body series. Naka-segment tayo para naka-concentrate. Pero for tonight, no, Erica will be discussing dalawa dun sa produkto natin. And in fact, she even invited two of her most beloved partner, no, business partner, that we're going to share kung ano yung nagawa ng barley sa kanya. Okay, so in fact, okay, bago to ibigay ulit kay Erica, I'll be showing you the new packaging. Cling, cling, cling. Mamaya tatawagin ko si Ian kasi meron naman din siyang i-announce for tomorrow. And then this one also. Alam mo, excited ako dito sa new package natin. No? It was announced last Salvo. Okay? It's really, really very clean. No? Ang ganda ng pagka-package niya. Okay? Tapos nun, ito yung ating capsule, iyayabang ko na sa inyo. Alam mo yung, di ba, nag-automatic, lumalabas. Alam mo yung, pag nakita mo siya, gustong-gusto mo na talaga siyang inumin. Hindi mo siya ilalagay lang sa altar, di ba? Alam mo yung mga ganyan, bumili ng products, hindi binubuksan, nakakaloka, di ba? So this one, even the packaging is really nice. And then, nakalagay pati yung gluten-free, which is very, very important. Explain niya ni Erica mamaya. This is the capsule and this is the powder. I just do not know when will be available, pero soon, antayin natin si Sir Joey kasi mag-a-announce yan. Look at this package. Look at this one. Okay, so, alam ko, lalo yung mga nagpapadala sa abroad, tinatanggal nyo rin yan sa ito. This time, no more small boxes. You just have to get one, diba? Sobrang ganda. Because we want to experience you the New Zealand green. Ayan, no? So alam mo yung gusto mo na talaga siyang inumin, gusto mo na siyang itaktak. Very, very clean itong packaging na to. Diba? Naiinggit kayo, aminin nyo. Nainggit kayo, meron kayo, wala ako, meron. Diba? Nang inggit si Miss Bing. Sige, Erica, masyado na akong madalda. One question. How many are you taking in a day, Erica? Because I take 4 of this in a day.
Normally po, I take 3.
Yes.
3 in a day. Pero nung naalala ko po nung bago po ako pumunta ng Africa, since maraming po ano-anong sakit sa Africa, I take 10 in a day.
Oh, wow.
Nung bago po ako pumunta ng Africa, 10 in a day. Para talagang palakasin yung immune system ko.
Correct. Nandun na yan sa katawan mo talaga no? Diba? That's why we really recommend you. Hindi naman ito para lang may sakit ka. Alam mo yan, kasi others will just, wala pa naman akong sakit. Prevention pa din. So Erica took 10 in a day. I take 4 in a day. And also the vitamin C, I take 6 in a day. How many are you taking?
Yung bago po natin vitamin C, twice a day po.
Yes, because that's 750. O sige na nga, papadala na. Okay, so that's all welcome, Miss Erica Santos.
Ayan. So good evening po ulit while I'm sharing my screen. So kamusta po kayong lahat? So ang ganda-ganda ng ating bagong packaging and very excited na po kami na makuha po yan. And ang maganda po niyan, para sa amin talagang ginagawa din yung business at sinishare yung benefits ng product. Mas beneficial po siya kasi mas mura na siya in terms of pagpapadala. Ayan. So let's start. So welcome everyone sa ating Sante product training. Isa po akong SBPI graduate. So estudyante po kami ni Miss Bing, ang ating very beautiful product specialist. And let's start. So, simple lang naman po, ang mission ni Sante is very simple. It's to help people live better lives. And paano nga ba natin matutulungan yung mga tao? Through our product. But before that, we all know that family health is the most important. Lahat naman po tayo, kaya natin ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay sa ginagawa natin ngayon, it's because of our family. And with that, importante, unang-una, yung ating family's health. So, what does health mean? First, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. Ibig sabihin, kailangan kabuuan or kumpleto siya na physical, mental, and social health. Hindi pwedeng physically healthy ka but mentally unstable ka, it means hindi ka pa rin healthy. Or mentally stable ka naman but you're not socially healthy, then hindi mo masasabi na healthy ka. Kailangan po siya kabuuan. In order to manage one's wellness, the different aspects of one's health should be addressed accordingly. So let us take a look at our physical well-being. Ayan. So alamin muna natin, why do we get sick? So people get sick because of poor cell condition and cellular damage which leads to organ and system malfunction. So ang una po talaga nagkakasakit ang ating mga cells. And kapag na-damage yung cells, dun nagkakaroon ng mga organ and system malfunction. So, pag-aralan natin ngayon yung ating body. First, our body is composed of trillions of cells. So this is the basic fundamental of life. Without cells, we cannot live. So that's how important cells are. Now, these cells group together, form tissues, and these tissues form the organs in the body. Yung organs like mga heart, ayan, lungs, stomach, etc. And these organs made up the system. So there are 12 systems in the body, and these systems made up the whole body. For you to understand this better, please watch this video. Ayan. O diba, napaka-amazing ng ating katawan. Even without us yung knowing, our body processes chemical reactions whether you like it or not. So God created, kung sino man creator, pinapaniwalaan mo, our creator created us wonderful talaga. So ganun ka-amazing ang ating body. Pero pag-usapan naman natin ngayon, how do cells in our body get damaged? Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, ang cells ang unang nagkakasakit. That's why yung cells natin is very important because a healthy cell means a healthy body. So, alamin natin paano nagkakasakit ang mga cells. First and major factor is poor diet and poor nutrition. Alam naman po natin lahat yan. And most of us are guilty. Kasi most of the time, kapag nagutom tayo, ang sinusuffice lang natin is yung taste buds natin. Nakaka-relate po ba na mas pinipili natin yung masarap na pagkain versus sa masustansyang pagkain? So technically, pinifeed lang natin ng masarap na pagkain ang ating taste buds, but hindi natin pinifeed ang cells natin with the nutrients na kailangan niya. That's why our cells get damaged. Next factor is alcohol and smoking. Alam naman po natin yan, miski nung bata pa tayo na alcohol and smoking are bad for our health. But most of the time, because of that habits and vices, the cells degenerate. Next is stress. Ayan po, lahat po tayo nakakaranas ng stress and hindi po natin may iwasan yan. We can only manage our stress kasi normal po yan sa tao. And especially ngayon, di ba, during the pandemic, napakarami po talagang taong naapektuhan itong pandemic and napakaraming tao ang na-stress. And because of that stress, nakaka-damage po talaga siya sa mga cells. That's why we must learn how to manage our stress levels. Kaya sabi nga ni Bernie Siegel, ang isang book author, feelings are chemicals. It can kill or cure. So very important po how we feel because it can manifest on our body as well. Next, Sante International, with the health of everyone in mind, Sante research and develop products that will help in cellular health and regeneration. Ibig sabihin po, ang produkto ni Sante para talaga po siya sa ating cells for the nourishment of the cells. So, sino nga ba nakadiscover ng barley? Since barley ang ating main product. So, this is Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. He's a pharmacology inventor and a businessman, entrepreneur. During his time, he owns the biggest pharmaceutical company in Japan, called Yamashiro Pharmaceutical. But at age 38, he got sick. Nagkasakit siya. Dahil pharmaceutical company siya, tinake niya yung mga gamot na create niya. But sadly, hindi po siya napagaling ng mga drugs na iniimbento nila. So, anong ginawa niya? Iniwan niya yung company niya and he looked for alternative solution and that's where he found barley. According sa science, barley is the most nutritious among all plant foods containing broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, plus chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our bodies require for the proper functioning of organs and immune system. So, this barley grass is a grain plant in the grass family Hordeum vulgare. So, according to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, ang kagandahan po sa barley, this is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. Ibig sabihin, kahit bata ka, kahit bagong panganak ka yan, or kahit para sa ating mga senior citizens po dyan, pwedeng-pwede po sa kanila ang barley. And ang maganda po, gaya ng sabi ni Ms. Ping, hindi lang po ito para sa may sakit. It's for everybody. Because naniniwala kami na prevention is always better than hospital. Ayan. So, fun facts about barley. So, ito pong barley noon pang unang panahon talaga siya kinukultivate. Actually, the Egyptians grew a variety of crops for consumption, including grains, vegetable, and fruits. However, their diets revolve around several staple crops, especially cereals and barley. So, ibig sabihin, noong papalang unang panahon, ginagamit na siya. And also, ang kagandahan kay barley, it's mentioned in the Bible 37 times. Ibig sabihin, kung naniniwala ka nga sa Creator mo, basahin mo lang yung Bible, andun yung mga facts about barley. And bukod sa barley, actually, bukod sa Bible, ang barley din po nakikita po siya sa ating Muslims, brothers and sisters na book, which is yung Quran. Sa Christian or sa Bible, barley is considered food. However, sa ating mga Muslim brothers and sisters, they considered barley as gamot. So, according nga doon, it can heal hundreds of diseases in the body. And maganda din siyang pang-cleanse ng body. Also, here's some fun facts again. The grains are used for breads and cereals, while the young grass is taken as nutritional food. So, Other factors that contribute to cell damage, we have spray chemicals, air pollution, and water pollution. Itong mga to hindi po natin maiiwasan, gaya ng spray chemicals. Ang pagkain natin bago dumating sa ating bahay, kung ano-ano na pong chemicals ang na-spray dyan para lang mapanatili yung kunwaring freshness. Pero ang talagang napapanatili lang niya talaga is yung mga chemicals na in-spray sa kanya and hindi natin siya maiiwasan. And right now, di ba, we are in a global pandemic. So pollution, di ba, ang pollution, andyan yan talaga eh. Hindi natin siya maiiwasan. Paglabas mo pa lang ng bahay, di ba, ng bahay mo, yung pollution, andyan na. Whether mayaman ka o mahirap ka, isang hangin lang po ang nilalanghap natin. And also water pollution. Naalala ko nung nakatira pa ako sa Bulacan before, ang tubig po namin galing sa poso. So, di ba, yung nag-iigib ka ng poso. And naalala ko nung bata ako, pag umuulan, gustong-gusto ko naliligo sa ulan. So, sino po ba dito nakaka-relate? Type ako? Type niyo po ako. Sino pa nakaka-relate po dyan na naliligo sa ulan, di ba? Pero right now, parang hindi ka na pwede maligo sa ulan. Kasi sabi nila, pag naligo ka sa ulan, ay hindi na, ano yan, kasi acid rain na siya. Ibig sabihin, may kasama na siyang pollution, di ba? Also, other factors that contribute to cell damage, radiation. So, gaya ngayon, lahat tayo, di ba, nakaharap sa cellphone, sa computer. So, yung ano niya, yung effect niya sa katawan natin, hindi natin maiwasan dahil ito na yung new normal. New normal natin is sa computer or sa cellphone na lang nag-uusap, di ba? And also, yung mga may hilig dyan magluto through microwave, yung mga init-init na lang, mga instant-instant. Ang dami ngayong instant, kaya ang buhay ng tao nagiging instant na din. Tama po ba? Ayan. So, because of that, yung mga factors na yon, it results to a low immune system. So, ayan, yung infection, di ba, nagkalat. Kaya nga tayo, paglabas natin, kailangan naka-mask, kailangan naka-face shield, di ba? Pero ang tanong, mapoprotektahan nga ba talaga niya na yun lang ang ating katawan against those viruses and bacteria sa labas? Siyempre, kulang po yun. And dun papasok ang ating product to complete, di ba? Para mas maprotektahan natin against viruses and bacteria out there. Kailangan natin palakasin ang ating immune system. Also, because of a low immune system, magkakaroon ka ng toxin build-up sa katawan mo. And kapag nagkaroon ka ng toxin build-up, maapektuhan po yung mga organs natin, most especially the kidneys and liver. Ayan. And also hyperacidity because of kung ano-anong factors, di ba, most especially mga kinakain natin, nagiging too acidic yung katawan natin. So, meron lang proper acidity level ang katawan natin. So, our body should be 80% alkaline and 20% acid. Dahil, kapag tumaas ang acidity level ng katawan natin, mas prone po tayo sa mga sakit-sakit, kung ano-ano dyan. Kaya kailangan ma-maintain natin yung tamang acidity level ng katawan. Also, yan. So, what is immune system? Kanina pa natin binabanggit yung immune system. So, the immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. So, ang immune system po natin para po itong soldiers. So, pag pumunta ka sa gera, ayan yung first line ng defense. So, ang ginagawa po niya, pinoprotektahan niya yung katawan natin against bacteria, viruses, parasites, and more. It is our immune system that keeps us healthy as we drift through a sea of pathogens, most especially right now, this pandemic. Paglabas mo, hindi mo alam kung protected ka nga ba talaga. That's why you need your own immune system to protect you against those viruses, bacteria, and other diseases na available dyan sa labas. So, the vast network of cells and tissues, ayan, putol siya. Anyway, the immune system is very important, most especially right now. Para po hindi ka matakot, kailangan mo munang palakasin ng immune system para paglabas mo, protektado ka. So, a solution, ito meron kay Sante, a solution to provide you in boosting the immune system. So, this is barley grass. Yan, sabi ko nga kanina, from birth to old age, di ba? And these are the micronutrients found in barley. Sobrang dami po niyan. Ibig sabihin, ayan yung mga nutrients na kailangan ng mga cells mo, di ba? Para mas maprotektahan yung katawan mo. So, ayan, meron vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acid. Tingnan natin, yung mga naka-red mark, yan po yung mga matataas yung content sa barley. So, let's start with calcium. So, calcium is very important to keep our bones strong and healthy. Ayan. So, there are many important factors para sa calcium. The body needs calcium for proper para yung mag-move yung ating mga muscles and to carry messages from brain para sa ating mga different parts of the body. So, most of us, ang akala natin, makukuha lang natin ang calcium from milk. But the best calcium, makukuha niyo po yan sa plants. So, akala natin milk lang, but the best calcium is from plants and ayan ang meron kay barley. Next is chromium. Ayan. Chromium is improved insulin sensitivity and enhanced protein, carbohydrate, and lipid metabolism. Mahalaga po itong chromium para sa mga diabetic. Also, sodium. Ang sodium po nakakatulong para i-normalize yung level ng blood pressure. But too much sodium is, syempre, masama sa ating health. Also, we have beta-carotene, which is good for the eyes. Folic acid. So, ang folic acid helps in para magkaroon tayo ng healthy red blood cells. And most especially sa mga pregnant women out there, mahalaga po ang folic acid para ma-prevent yung mga development issues sa mga baby bago pa sila ipanganak. And also right now, ang very talagang product ngayon is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. So ascorbic acid is necessary for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It forms collagen and helps in absorption of iron. Also, it's para po siya sa proper functioning of the immune system. Nakakatulong din po ang vitamin C for wound healing and maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. So, ganyan ka-important ang vitamin C. Also, for the enzymes, we have catalase and superoxide dismutase or SOD. Those are very important enzymes in the body because it helps fight free radicals. Pag sinabing free radicals, these are unstable cells that causes people to get sick. So, these enzymes, present po sila sa barley and maganda po yung epekto nito sa katawan natin. And for the amino acid, we have the arginine, which is very helpful, most especially sa mga may mga sakit sa puso kasi it relaxes and improves circulation. So, some evidence shows that it may help improve blood flow, most especially dun sa may mga yung mga bara-bara sa puso. Ayan. So, ayan pong lahat ng yan, matatagpuan po natin o meron sa barley. Ang maganda pa yan, ito, chlorophyll. This is present in barley. So, kung titignan niyo po maigi yung plant chlorophyll versus the human blood hemoglobin, so halos identical po siya. The only difference is that magnesium ang center ng plant chlorophyll while the human blood, iron po yung center. Bakit mahalaga yung chlorophyll sa katawan natin? First, it stimulates the immune system. Next, it helps in eliminating fungus in the body. Also, it helps in detoxifying your blood, cleaning your intestines, getting rid of bad odors. So, para sa may mga bad odors, malaki po ang tulong ng chlorophyll. Also, it energizes the body and helps in preventing cancer. So, napakarami pong benefits ng chlorophyll sa katawan natin. Paano mo malalaman na mataas sa chlorophyll yung barley? Pag tinimpla nyo po siya, ang kulay po niya green na green. Dahil ang chlorophyll, yun yung dahilan kung bakit nagiging green ang mga halaman. So, huwag po kayo magtaka na pag tinimpla niyo yung barley natin, green na green po yung color niya. Ibig sabihin po nun, mataas siya sa chlorophyll. Next, antioxidant value. Ano nga ba antioxidant? Before we discuss that. Antioxidant are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Di ba sabi ko nga kanina, masama yung free radicals. Ba't hindi natin maiiwasan yung free radicals? Bakit? Kasi free radicals are waste substances produced by our cells as body processes food and react to the environment. So yung free radicals, andyan po talaga siya. But we can only prevent or slow damage to cells caused by those free radicals by taking food high in antioxidant. So kung titignan niyo po yung nasa screen po ninyo, Kahit pagsamasamahin natin yung prunes, raisins, kale, spinach, and grapes, hindi po niya matatapatan yung antioxidant level na meron si barley grass, which is 25,000. And no other food can give you that antioxidant protection. So, tignan naman natin yung dietary fiber per 100 grams. So, pinag-aralan ulit nila per 100 grams itong mga to, lettuce, green pepper, spinach, broccoli, parsley, and young barley grass. And kung titignan nyo po sa screen nyo, sobrang taas ng dietary fiber ng barley. Ang alam natin, dietary fiber, lagi siyang kinoconnect lang sa para sa mga constipated, di ba, makakatulong siya. But little did we know that this dietary fiber is very important in maintaining a healthy weight. Kasi pag na-maintain mo yung healthy weight mo, ma-prevent mo din yung mga diabetes, heart diseases, and other types of cancer. That's why it's very important we take foods or like barley na mataas sa dietary fiber. Also, today, Food and Drug Administration announced that it has finalized a rule that allows food containing barley to claim that it may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease according to US FDA. So what barley can do is very simple. It's a powerful antioxidant. It contains soluble and insoluble fiber, lowers high blood pressure, reduces risk of heart diseases, a powerful detoxifier, lowers bad cholesterol levels, and aids in battling cancer. Ulit ko po, ang barley po hindi gamot, pero marami po siyang health benefits sa ating katawan. So, anong maganda sa barley ni Sante? We are certified BioGrow. So, ang BioGrow po is the leading certifying body of organic products in New Zealand. So, makakasiguro po tayo na ang produktong tinitake natin at inaalok natin sa iba ay garantisadong 100% organic. Hindi lang yung product natin yung organic, pati ang ating FAR certified organic. So, please watch this. Ayan.
Good evening, Sante distributors around the world. It's Peter Hope here from Sante New Zealand, and as you can see, I'm currently in the barley fields. I'm down on the farm, and it's about 7:30 in the evening, and I'm going to show you something about the harvest process, which goes 24 hours a day. So come along with me, and hopefully we can learn a little bit more about what goes into making this marvellous product of certified organic barley powder. This is a very healthy crop of barley, and you may know from one of my previous uploads that there's a way to tell that the plant you're looking at is actually a barley plant. And if we come down onto the individual plants, you can see a small purple auricle around the stems of the plants. Now, in a barley plant, they are longer and curve round the stem more than in a wheat plant. So that's one of the ways we know that we're dealing with barley and not with wheat. 24 hours a day during the summer months, we're harvesting certified organic barley. You can see the harvester coming down the paddock now, harvesting the crop in the coolest time of the day, which is really good for keeping the crop at its top quality. You can see the I'm on grass sign on the side of the harvester.
Ayan. O, diba? So, makakasigurado po tayo na certified organic ang ating farm and product ang ating barley. So, our farm is managed by, yung nakita niyo po sa video, our managing director, Mr. Peter Hope. So, ano nga ba ulit na meron kay barley? Meron siyang kumpleto na kailangan mo. Minerals, vitamins, enzymes, amino acid. That's why it's called a superfood. So, ayan. So, compare muna natin ano ba yung nutraceutical versus pharmaceutical. So, nutra means food, but with pharmaceutical standard. Pag sinabi pharmaceutical, ito po yung mga drugs. Ang nutraceutical, it comes with Herxheimer reaction, which I will explain later. And pharmaceuticals, it comes with various side effects. Kaya nga, kailangan siya lagi ng reseta mo, especially yung mga ibang drugs, kailangan ng reseta bago mo mabili sa butika kasi nga meron siyang mga side effects. Nutraceuticals, it helps restore liver and kidney health, while pharmaceutical, it causes liver and kidney disease. That's why dumadami ngayon, di ba, yung mga dialysis center. Bakit? Ang dami kasi nagme-maintenance drugs. And alam nila, ang dulo po ng pag-maintenance drug, magdadamage talaga yung liver and kidney. That's why dumadami ngayon talaga yung mga dialysis center. So what is Herxheimer reaction? From a few days to a few weeks, detoxification reaction in the body. Pwedeng hindi or pwede kang maka-experience ng mga ganito po, mga flu-like symptoms including headache, joint, muscle pains, body aches, sore throat, sweating, chills, and other symptoms. So, pag naka-experience ka po niyan at first time mo uminom ng barley, huwag ka pang matakot dahil it's not uncommon. Common lang po siya. This is a normal and even healthy reaction that indicates parasites, fungus, bacteria, or other pathogens are being effectively killed off. Take note, hindi naman po lahat nakaka-experience niyan detoxification reaction. Some may or some may not. But don't you worry, ano lang po siya, healthy and normal reaction ng katawan mo. Kasi nag-take ka ng something na iba, di ba? Iba siya eh. First time mong i-take ng katawan mo, kaya nag-react siya. But it's a normal and healthy reaction. So, the biggest problem of Herxheimer reaction is that people stop taking the supplements or medication that is causing the reaction and thus discontinue the very treatment that is helping them, diba, to be better. Para, imbis na andun ka na sa road mo sa iyong paggaling o sa pag-recover, in-stop mo yung pagbabarley, then yung healing and recovery, nag-stop din. Although the experience may not make you particularly good, the Herxheimer reaction is actually a sign that healing is taking place. So, bakit nga ba may no approved therapeutic claim? Ayan lang po ay label na required ng FDA kasi lahat ng supplements kailangan po maglagay po talaga niyan. Also, kanina yung sinabi ni Ms. Bing, our product is also gluten-free kasi may mga tao na allergic po sila sa mga food with gluten. Ngayon, ang kagandahan kay barley, sabi kasi nila, ay barley may gluten yan. Hindi po, kasi ang gamit po natin yung barley grass, ang normally may gluten yung ano po niya, kapag tumubo na siya yung mga grains niya. So, gluten-free po tayo. So, pwede po tayo sa mga allergic dyan sa gluten. Also, ang maganda kay barley, ating Sante barley, nasa PPD po tayo or Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. Ito po yung directory ng mga gamot ng mga doktor o listahan ng mga gamot nila. Makikita po nila dyan yung pangalan ng gamot, para saan siya, and mga side effects. And good thing about Sati Barley, wala po tayong side effects. Mamaya sasabihin ko ano yung magandang effect ni barley sa inyo. Ayan, sabihin ko yan mamaya. So, Santé International. With this in mind, Santé has developed and is continuously creating products to help the family maintain their health. With the daily use of our products, we can be sure of keeping our immune system strong and healthy. That's why it's very important that you take your barley products kasi nakakatulong talaga siya sa immune system. Now, let me present to you our Santé products. But tonight, i-discuss lang po natin yung ating barley powder capsule and ating daily C. So, yung other products po to be discussed sa mga next pong product training. So, these products are designed to help you maintain your health on a daily basis. So, let's start off with our nutraceutical series. So, we have Santé Pure Barley and Santé Barley Pure. Pero pag lumabas na po yung ating bagong packaging, ang nakalagay na po dyan, Santé Barley Powder and Santé Barley Capsules. Ayan, so mas madali na po siya kasi normally yung mga tao na pagbabaliktad nila lagi yung Pure Barley and Barley Pure. Ngayon, pag lumabas yung bagong packaging natin, mas madali nyo na po siya ma-recognize. So ano nga bang meron kay Pure Barley or ating Barley Powder? Santé Pure Barley Powder is 3 grams per sachet and sa box po, meron pong 30 sachet per box. Sa atin naman Santé Barley Pure Capsules, meron 500 milligrams, 60 capsules per box. Kung tatanong niyo po ako, anong pinagkaiba nila? Pareho lang po na barley ang laman niyan. Ang pinagkaiba lang po ang ating barley powder, may stevia, which is yung ating natural plant sweetener. While yung ating capsule is puro po siyang barley. But sa dami, of course, nagkakaiba siya. Dahil 3 grams sa ating sachet, while 500 milligrams lang sa ating capsule. So, 1 sachet of pure barley is equals to 6 barley capsules. Also, meron din tayong Santé Barley Powder in canisters. Yan po ay may 110 grams. May kasama na din po yan scooper once na bumili po kayo niyan. So, mag-scoop ka lang and ititimpla mo na siya. So, fun facts about Santé Barley Grass. So, it is a great source of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, fibers, and amino acids. Also, it is rich in chlorophyll, gaya ng sabi ko kanina. It improves oxygenation, anti-mutagenic, anti-cancer, repairs damage to cells and tissues. Ayan. So, ang barley is a powerful antioxidant with 25,500 antioxidant value per 100 grams. Ito po ay highly alkaline to help body regulate acidity. That's why it's very important to take your barley every day. Kasi everyday prone ka, exposed ka sa mga kung ano-anong bagay and yung kinakain, plus yung kinakain mo pa, di ba? So, it helps regulate the acidity level in your body. Also, it is easily absorbed by the body, so bioavailability. Next. Ayan. So, Santé Barley or barley grass is considered a total complete food. Isang baso lang ang inumin mo, punong-puno na ito ng nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin. This has a high amount of protein to help muscle build up. And makasigurado tayo, it is a pure organic barley from our own organic farm in New Zealand. Maganda pa sa ating barley grass is we are halal certified, so pwede po ito sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. We are super brand and also organic barley certified by BioGrow. So, ilang beses nga ba ako kailangan uminom ng barley or ng pure barley? So, pag-usapan muna natin yung barley powder. For preventive or maintenance, 1 to 2 sachet of pure barley drink. For therapeutic minor to moderate symptoms, 2 to 4. For chronic, yung tulad ng mga cancer or degenerative diseases, it's 4 to 6. But You can take as many as you want and as many as you can dahil wala po tayong overdose. This is organic food. That's why kahit, gaya na sabi ko kanina, bago po kami pumunta ng Africa, noong 2019, we took 10 sachet in a day. Kasi nga, di ba, takot ka, pupunta ka sa ibang lugar na kung ano-ano yung nakikita mo sa balitang mga sakit-sakit doon. So, para maprotektahan yung sarili namin and improve our immune system, nag-take kami ng 10 sachet in a day. So, ganun kadami. So, ang effect niya, wala siyang overdose, but mas gaganda ka pa. So, mamaya ipapakita ko po sa inyo. So, the next product for our nutraceutical series is our Sante Daily C na sobra-sobra talagang in demand sa panahon ngayon. So, this Daily C is non-acidic vitamin C and immune system booster. Let's watch this video.
Vitamin C is considered the king of all the vitamins, as it enhances the immune system to defend the body from sickness. Sante further enhanced this essential vitamin to make it an ascorbic blend to make it more effective and healthier for the body. This non-acidic version of vitamin C has alkaline that helps neutralize the acidity in ascorbic acid, driving the body's pH to safe levels. Try it now and be a healthier version of you. Sante Daily C Vitamins.
Ayan. So, here are some fun facts about Sante Daily C. So, our Sante Daily C is composed of 568 milligrams of sodium ascorbate, which is a form of vitamin C. Actually, yung nasa PowerPoint is lumang packaging. Ngayon is ascorbic acid ang nakalagay po dyan. Sa mga nagtatanong po, pareho lang po yan. Is still non-acidic vitamin C. Nag-iba lang po ng packaging because requirement po ng ating gobyerno, ng ating FDA. So it's, ayan, para mapakita sa inyo, ito po yung ating, same lang naman po halos ang ating packaging. Na iba lang yung nakalagay dito sa taas dahil sa sumusunod po talaga tayo sa kung ano yung requirement ng FDA. But it's still the same na magandang vitamin C na nakaubilian or ginagamit po ninyo. So, ayan po. And also, it is a water-soluble vitamin in a non-acidic form, making it stomach-friendly. So, hindi siya yung sasabihin, hindi ako nagtitake ng vitamin C kasi acidic ako. Hindi po. Kasi hindi po makaka-upset ng stomach itong vitamin C natin dahil it's non-acidic. So, sodium ascorbate is the most ideal form of vitamin C used for megadosing and intravenous administration. It is an immune system booster and clinically proven to aid in heart health, elimination of chronic and acute infections, and is considered to be an anti-cancer agent. That's why it's very important na we take our daily C, our vitamin C daily. Kasi po ang katawan po natin, ang tayo po mga tao, hindi po napoproduce ang katawan natin ng vitamin C. That's why we need to take it, diba? Kailangan natin isupplement yung katawan natin with vitamin C kasi nga hindi siya nagpo-produce ng sarili niyang vitamin C. So, according to Linus Pauling Institute, it is recommended for 1 to 3 years old children to take 400 milligrams per day. Children 4 to 8, 650 milligrams. 9 to 13 years old, 1,200 milligrams. Adolescents 14 to 18, it's 1,800 milligrams. And adult 19 years old and older, 2,000 plus milligrams per day. Ang kagandahan po kay Sante ngayon, we have a new line of vitamin C. Hindi ko lang po nasama kasi ibang PowerPoint yung nagamit ko ngayon. So hindi po nasama yung ating pinakabagong vitamin C, which is yung ating vegetable capsule, non-acidic as well also, but 750 milligrams na vitamin C. Ayan. So, ito pong vitamin C natin, ito po yung kasalukuyang ginagamit and ini-endorse na ating Miss Universe Catriona Gray. Ayan. So, kung gusto mo maging kasing ganda ni Miss Catriona Gray, mag-take ka lang ng vitamin C daily. Ayan. So, ang highlight po ng ating gabi ay hindi naman po ako. So, naatasan lang po ako magkwento sa inyo ang ating produkto. So, let me call on one of my partner. Andyan na kaya siya? Ready na kaya siya?
Yes.
Noreen, ayan. So si partner Noreen, ikukwento po niya paano siya natulungan ni Santay. So ayan, makikita niyo siya sa screen. Siya na po bahala magkwento ng kanyang Santay testimonial. Are you ready, partner Noreen?
Yes, salamat po, Mentor Erica. Magandang gabi. Yes.
Ayan.
Yan.
Ayun po. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga kapartners all over the globe, sa loob ng Zoom at sa ating FB Live. Magandang gabi. Ako po si Noreen Saino, Executive Director. Nag-start po ako sa Santay August 24, 2019. 1 year and 7 months na po ako nag-take ng barley dahil po sa aking karamdaman. Meron po akong diabetes, sayuma, acidic at may UTI pa. Lagi po akong pabalik-balik sa ospital, laboratory at 4 na maintenance na gamot ang iniinom ko araw-araw. Dumating yung time na napagod ako. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko nang magpahinga. Pero pag nakikita ko po yung aking mga anak, kasi maliliit po sila, maliliit pa po sila, nagkaroon po ako ng pag-asa pang mabuhay. Nagdasal po ako, Lord, sana habaan niyo pa ang buhay ko para sa mga anak ko. God answers my prayer. Nagpapasalamat po ako. Tumawag yung kapatid ko. Sabi niya sa akin, itry ko yung Santay Barley. Kasi yung aking kapatid, acidic din po. Natulungan po siya ni Santay. Nag-search po ako ng Santay Barley. Nakita ko po ang daming testimony. Yun, nag-message sa akin si Janila Quinn, yung aking upline. Nagpa-member agad ako para sa susunod ko pong order, mas mababa na 30 to 50% discount. Naginom po ako ng barley 3 times a day, 30 minutes bago kumain. Alam niyo po, mga kapartners, 1 week lang, gumanda po yung pakiramdam ko. Yung aking mga sakit-sakit sa katawan, nawala po yun. Nung nakilala ko si Santay, 2019 hanggang ngayon, hindi na po ako nagpunta ng ospital. At wala na pong laboratory. Ang akin pong 4 na maintenance na gamot na iniinom araw-araw, wala na po. Ang laki ng nabago sa buhay ko na nakilala ko si Santay. Pati po yung aking anak na laging pabalik-balik sa ospital, laging antibiotics, yung aking asawa na may maintenance na gamot kasi high blood po siya, wala na po. Dati po, puro synthetic na gamot ang iniinom namin. Pero mga nakilala ko si Santay, barley products na po kami lahat. At dahil sa napakaganda ng ating product, i-share ko rin ito sa aking mga kaibigan at sa mga nangangailangan pa. Nagpapasalamat po ako number 1 kay Lord. Pangalawa po kay Santay. Dahil sa napakagandang opportunity na binigay niya sa akin, natulungan po ako, ang aking family. Kumikita na po ako ngayon. At nakakatulong po ako sa mga nangangailangan at nawala ng pag-asa sa mga sakit nila at sakit sa bulsa. Again, I'm Noreen Saino. Say no, laban lang. Let's live more, do more with Santay. I'm on grass.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Noreen. Thank you. Maraming salamat for sharing your story. No? So, Erica, bago matawagin yung isa mo pang testimonial, maraming salamat kasi actually yan talaga ang sikreto ni Santay. 2 lang, parati ko sinasabi. Unang sikreto ni Santay na hindi na sikreto dun sa barley na yan is the dosage at saka yung micronutrients. Katulad nung nangyari kay Noreen, meron siyang rheuma, ayan, acid, UTI, diabetes. Saan ba nakuha ni Noreen yan? Paggising ba niya, meron na siya kagad acid? Meron na siya kagad UTI? Hindi. Doon sa mga factors na binanggit kanina ni Erica, one major factor talaga is yung pagkain. yung pagkain na kinakain natin na araw-araw na hindi naman natin alam kung nakakabuti ba o nakakasama sa atin. Bakit na tulungan si Noreen sa kanyang karamdaman, these health conditions, diabetes, rheumatism, acidity, and UTI? Because barley is a whole food. Kompleto siya. In fact, thank you, Erica, for discussing a few of the micronutrients, no? Diniscuss ni Erica, napakaganda ng bawat micronutrients na kita. Diniscuss niya, binanggit niya yung nakikita na vitamin C, kung ano ba yung arginine, di ba? So actually lahat, maiintindihan natin yan when we go Google, study. Pero alam nyo, sabi nga namin, or paulit-ulit namin share sa inyo, we can show you checks, we can show you pictures, we can show you a lot of testimonials. But you yourself, ikaw na nakikinig, ikaw na nandito sa Zoom, ikaw na nandyan sa Facebook at YouTube. Nakita mo na si Barley, di ba? Pero hindi mo pa rin siya tinitake. Nagdududa ka pa rin ngayon. Di ba? I will have to continue saying this one. Kung nakita mo na siya, pinakita na sa'yo yung solution. The solution to your health, the solution to your wealth, all you have to do is to take it. Grab the opportunity. Kasi alam nyo, useless naman eh. Sabi ko nga, marami kaming ikukwento sa inyo. Marami kayong maririnig na mga testimonials. Pero kung hindi nyo rin gagamitin, hindi nyo malalaman ang effectivity ng produkto na to. We've been here for 14 years, no? Ang produkto, pag maganda, maganda talaga. Pag pangit, pangit talaga. Kahit na ano pang sabihin mo, pangit talaga yan. Hindi yan magiging effective. Pero if the product is really good, we cannot stop people from sharing. Thank you, Noreen, sa iyong short but powerful at heartfelt, no? I know it comes from your heart. Maraming salamat at hindi ka nag-atubili to share your story. Thank you. Erica, sino yung susunod mong tatawagan?
Ayan. So, ang ating susunod na sharer is, ang dahilan po kung bakit siya nasa Sante, it's because of partner Noreen. So, partner po siya, direct partner po siya ni Miss Noreen Saino. So, ready na ba siya, Ritzel? Ritzel Habana. Ayan.
Thank you, Ian. Thank you. O, kita mo, nagchika lang si Noreen. Meron nang naniwala sa kanya.
Yes.
Sa Habana. Hi.
Yes po.
Hi, Ritzel.
Yes po. Good evening, everyone, and all Sante partners. And sa ating inside the Zoom at sa ating millions viewers sa ating FB Live. Gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo lahat yung buhay ko nung di pa ko nakilala si Sante at yung ngayong buhay ko nung nakilala ko si Sante. My name is Ritzel Habana, 28 years old, one of Sante Executive Director. Dati po akong kasambahay. Halos 9 na taon po akong nangangasambahay. Sa ilang taon na yan, walang pagbabago ang buhay ko. Ang hirap po na pinagdaanan ko. Kasi nung tayo na nagkaroon po ako ng ovarian cyst, kasambahay ako noon, may anak ako, nakatira po yung buong family ko sa bahay ng amo ko. Ang hirap po i-balance ng time ko noon. Din yung asawa ko po, nagkaroon po siya ng gastron. Nung time na naoperahan po yung asawa ko, buntis po ako sa bunso ko in 3 months. Kami lang po yung asawa ko ang nagtutulungan. Di nung nailabas ko po siya sa ospital, ang laki po ng bills namin. Hindi ko po alam kung saan ako mangungutang, umabot po ng 130,000. Ang hirap po kami noon sa financial. Ginawa ko po, lumapit po ako sa PCSO. Kahit pinapabedress po ako ng aking OB dahil muntik na nga po akong bakunan sa bunso ko. Pero no choice ako. Ginawa ko pa rin para mailabas ko lang po yung asawa ko sa ospital. Ang dami ko na pong pagsubok sa buhay ko sa ganitong edad. Pero ito pa rin ako lumalaban para sa pamilya ko. Halos wala na po ako ng pag-asa noon. Nung pinanganak ko yung bunso ko, 1 week pa lang, nasiis po ako ulit noon. 1 week pa lang, pinanganak ko si Bibi. Nag-work po agad ako dahil nga po ako dati isang kasambahay lamang. Obligasyon ko po magtrabaho hanggang po sa nabinat ko ako. May iniinom pa akong gamot noon, antibiotics. Nadili po ni Bibi. Napunta po kay Bibi yung side effect ng gamot. Nagkaroon po siya ng lagnat o busit-on. Akala ko po mawala na ako sa mundo. Kasi nung time na nabinat po ako, nag-blurred na po yung paningin ko. Pero nagdasal lang po ako. Sabi ko po, Lord, tulungan niyo po ako. Kasi mahiliit pa po yung mga anak ko. Sabi ko po, habaan niyo pa po ang buhay ko. Pero ito po yung good news. Kasi wala na kilala ko si Sante. Is me, 14, 2020. 10 months na ngayon. Wala na kilala ko si Sante. Na-share po sa amin ni partner Lorraine Saino ang Sante. Nag-try po kami ng family ko at nakita ko po yung magandang result sa amin kay Sante. Natulungan po yung health problem ng family ko. Agad kami ng asawa ko nagpamimbo at nagtulungan po kami. At sinusuportahan po niya ako sa business na to. At ngayon po, ginawa ko na po siyang business ngayon. Kasi nakita ko po kay Sante yung napakagandang opportunity. Kaya nag-decide po kami ng asawa ko na mag-resign po ako sa work ko noong September 2020 lang din. At bumukod na po kami ng tirahan. 7 months ako kay Sante, na-hits ko na po yung goals ko maging executive director. Hindi ko naman po sinasabi na malaki na po ang kinikita ko, pero kahit papano kumikita na po ako at natutulungan ko na po yung asawa ko. Kahit nasa bahay lang po ako, kasama ko yung mga anak ko, kumikita pa ako. Pero darating yung time na mula ngayon hanggang 3 to 5 years, siguro naman po may pagbabago na ang buhay ko. Kung ikukumpara ko sa 9 na taon ko bilang kasambahay na walang pagbabago ang buhay ko. So ito pa, ang kagandahan ko dito sa business natin, nung nagkaroon po ako ng time freedom para sa sarili ko at maging malaya ako sa kahit anong gusto kong gawin. Kaya kailangan ko lang po talagang aralin itong business na to. Kasi katulad nga po nung sinasabi nila, para po itong isang magandang kabayo na kulang na lang po yung isang jinete para makatakbo po ito ng maayos. Kaya sa mga nanay na katulad ko, kahit nasa bahay lang po tayo, kasama natin ang mga anak natin, kumikita pa ako. Kasi dito sa business natin po, walang mayaman o mahirap, makatapos ka man sa pag-aaral o hindi, kayang-kaya natin to para sa ating pamilya. Kinabukasan natin mga anak. Katulad ko po ngayon, wala po akong mapag-iwanan sa mga anak ko. Pag may order sa akin, dala ko po sila sa LBC. Minsan, pag may deliver po ako, iniiwan ko po sa upline ko kay partner Lorraine Saino. Thank you so much. Tayong mga nanay, gagawin po natin ang lahat para sa ating pamilya. Pero ito pa po ang maganda. Mula nung nakilala ko si Sante, nagbago po ang lahat sa akin. Natulungan po kami, buong pamilya ko, at saka yung mga taong nagtitiwala kay Sante. Kaya thanks God and thanks Sante. Let's live more and do more. Again, my name is Ritzel Habana, Executive Director. I'm on Agras. Thank you po and God bless you all.
Thank you, Ritzel. O, diba? Ang ganda ni Ritzel. O, alam nyo talagang pag sumasali talaga si Sante, maganda eh. Iyan, sumang-ayon kami. O, diba? Pati si Lorraine. Maraming salamat for sharing.
Ito ba, isi-share ko ulit yung isi-share ko sa Facebook yung picture before and after ni Ritzel, di ba? Imagine, Ritzel.
Oo.
Anong glutathione to? Hindi, joke lang. Ang laki ng ipinuti ni ano.
Barley lang yan, syempre.
Barley, oh.
Barley. So,
Congrats, Critzel, ah.
oo, maraming salamat Noreen tsaka Ritzel. Tingnan mo ha, kung si Noreen nanahimik siya, alam mo yung nakita niya yung barley tapos hindi niya shinare sa iba, malamang di rin makikita ni Ritzel eh. So, napakaganda talaga nitong negosyo natin kasi wala naman tayong gagawin kung hindi tsikahin ng lahat ng tao. Sabi nga, chika-chika, cheka-cheka yan. At ang maganda talaga iyan, walang pinipili, di ba? Wala namang pinipili, hindi naman tinatanong na, oy, Ritzel, wag ka sumali sa amin, ha? Oy, Noreen, wag ka sumali. Di ba? Wala namang ganon. So,
open to
we
everybody,
are just,
yes.
yes, yun
Everybody's
yung
welcome.
ni Ian sa mga trainings niya na itong industry that we belong to is a great equalizer na binibigay talaga equal opportunity para sa lahat. Pero katulad ng nangyari kay Noreen at saka Ritzel, maraming salamat for your time, for sharing, di ba? So, I know marami pa tayong taong matutulungan sa produkto at saka sa negosyo. At saka yung maganda talaga yung time nila sa anak nila, sa pamilya. Tingnan mo nga, di ba? So, benta-benta tayo, nag-share tayo ng mga products, not realizing ang dami-dami nating natutulungan. Okay, so Erica,
Yes.
ano yung closing words mo? Bakit mo?
Di ba? Kung mapapansin nyo dun sa kanilang dalawa, kung napansin nyo yung picture nila kanina, meron common eh. May common sa kanilang dalawa, which is mas gumanda sila ngayon compared before. Bakit nga ba? Because regular intake of barley grass will make one look 10 years younger. So that's why hindi ka lang talaga nakakatulong sa katawan mo para mag-recover sa kung ano-anong mga karamdaman na meron ka. Mag-glow ka pa talaga, mas gaganda ka pa if you're regularly taking the barley grass. So ayan po ang aking proof. So that's me 16 years ago. But nakikita nyo na po ako ngayon. Ayan, ako yung present. So, nakikita nyo po ako. Most especially kung makikita nyo ako ng personal, ayan, proven po na ang produkto po natin ay sobrang ganda talaga. I'm not only 10 years younger. I look 16 years younger than my younger self.
Yes,
And,
I agree, Erika. I-post nyo nga yan, yung tatlong picture nyo ni Crisel, ni Noreen, tsaka paki-post mamaya at ipapaviral natin.
So, di ba, sobrang ganda ng kung anong produkto na meron tayo. Kaya talaga wag po tayo mahiya i-share to sa iba dahil punong-puno ng sobrang daming health benefits yung kung anong meron kay Sante. And with that, ito na po yung iwan ko sa inyo. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others. Di ba? Kung ikaw may sakit, ikaw yung aalagaan eh.
Tama.
Pero di ba kung ikaw healthy ka, di maaalagaan mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, and may inspire mo pa lalo ang ibang tao to live a healthier life. That's why we must first take care of ourselves so we can take care of others. With that, I'm Erica Santos, Diamond Executive Director, SBPI graduate. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm on grass.
Thank you, Erica. Maraming salamat for
Mambing,
your
galing na mga graduate mo. Bilib na bilib na.
syempre. Mana. Pag inopen natin niya, si Ritzel tsaka si Noreen ang aking mga estudyante, okay? Sa Product Institute, do not worry, inaayos po namin yan. Panay ang advertise namin dyan, pero coming soon, pagka nag-open yung class na yan, I'm really encouraging you na mag-enroll po para matutunan natin talaga ano ba yung nilalaman nitong barley na sinasabi namin na nakakabuti sa maraming klaseng sakit ng tao. Katulad nung na-address kay Noreen at saka kay Ritzel, diabetes. Pero ang nakakatuwa nga kasi we continue, training. Marami kayong matututunan with all the learnings with the doctor, So, dalawang produkto. And may I add also, dun sa ating vitamin C, Alam mo ako, Erica, I'm taking 3,000 in a day. So mga 6 na capsule yun, no? Lalo ngayon na meron talagang viruses, yung ating kalaban, invisible, hindi natin na nakikita. I've been taking the vitamin C for 7 years, more than pa. Natatakot lang yung iba kasi sabihin nila magkakaroon ka daw ng bukol dyan pagka ikaw ay iinom ng marami. Wala naman pong sapat na pag-aaral na sinasabi na nagkakos ng calcium stones ang mga vitamin C. No? Ako na po ang nagsasabi. And also, kay Linus Pooling, dagdag ko lang din na ang vitamin C is one of the list, no? Nasa listahan niya ng World Health Organization as an essential medicine, no? Kaya nga nutraceutical po tayo. So paulit-ulit namin sinasabi, hindi tayo gamot pero nakakagamot tayo. Huwag niyo pong tignan ang presyo, tignan ninyo ang benepisyo na binibigay sa atin ng produkto. So ganun din, di ba? Nakuha ko din kay Malu, sabi niya, pareho din naman, Miss Bing pag magagamot ka, may gastos ka. Pag magsusupplement ka, may gastos ka, di ba? Kasi iba takot sa gastos. O dito ka sa gastos na babalik sa'yo in terms of commission, in terms of incentive. No? Talk to the person who introduced to you the Sante International. Go partner with us. Tuturuan po namin kayo. Okay? So with that, maraming salamat. Alam kong marami kayong natutunan sa amin. You can always send question or message me lang kung may mga questions kayo. Again, Erica, maraming salamat for your contributions, for your sharing. And I'm very, very proud that you are a graduate of the Product Institute of Sante. And together, and the rest of the partners of Sante, let's live more and do more with Sante. Ian, thank you very much. I know marami ka pang announcement na gagawin. Thank you, Ritzel and Noreen. I love you na.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ma'am Bing Kalinawan, Miss Erica Santos, Ritzel, and Noreen. Palakpakan naman po natin. Yan, napakaganda ng paliwanag at talaga nakaka-inspire. Actually, hinihintay ko maiyak si Cristel pero napigilan lang konti pero naiiyak na kami, Cristel. Congratulations sa inyo. And we hope na magdire-diretso na yan, hindi lang Executive Director, kundi magdire-diretso hanggang Diamond Executive Director. Okay, speaking of Diamond Executive Director, tomorrow po meron po tayong Sante Engage Awards Night! So every month, every last Thursday of the month, si Ma'am Chi po ang ating punong abala na nag-aasikaso ng ating Sante Engage Awards Night. So of course, nire-recognize po natin lahat ng ating mga achievers. Lahat po yan covered, yung mga tawag dito, pin rank awardings, pati mga SCI gadgets, Dream Quest, kung meron na nakahit ng Dream Quest, but everything and anything under the sun sa ating Sante business. So, yan po ay nire-recognize, binibigyan parangal, at tayo po ay nag-i-interview ng mga success stories every time we have the Sante Engage Awards Night. So, that's tomorrow at 7 p.m. So, every po kasi Thursdays, it's webinars, but every last Thursdays of the month, nandyan po ang ating Sante Engage Awards. Okay. So, aside from the Sante Engage Awards, meron po tayong bagong training. Special training po ito. This is held every Friday. So, meron tayong special announcement. Special announcement is this. Mga kapatid, we'll be having the very first Sante Elite Profile Night. Sante Elite Profile Night will be featuring one Sante Elite every Friday. Okay, not every Friday, every last Friday. So, ang special trainings po natin every Friday is Sante Systems Training, Understanding the Compensation Plan, tsaka Engage Cycle Scripts ni Sir George Kaluwag. Ang digital marketing kasi meron siyang solo spot every Wednesday. So, eto ngayon, this coming Friday, mali lang tong poster na to, yung special trainings natin para hindi nagsasabay sa Sante Rev, we will be doing this earlier at 6 p.m. Okay ba sa inyo yan? Type yes kung okay para hindi kayo nahihirapan kung ano yung a-attenan nyo. So, meron tayong mauuna ng 6 p.m. Sante Elite Profile Night. At yung mga susunod na Fridays, mga kaibigan, doon na magsisimula na tayo ng mas maaga sa ating special trainings at 6 p.m. And then at 7 p.m., yan po yung ating SBP by Sante Rev. Yung iba kasi mambing nahirapan. Ano ba ang atinan ko? SBP o special training? So, inagahan na po namin and most likely ang ating special trainings will keep it to 1 hour. Para kung gusto mong atinan pareho, you can attend the 6 p.m. and also the 7 p.m. So, abangan nyo rin po ang digital marketing. Ganun na rin po ang gagawin namin. Due to public demand, we'll start the Sante Digital Marketing Orientation at 6 p.m. and then ang kay Mambing na SPT is at 7 p.m. Okay, teka, doble ako dito sa screen. So, yon ang ating mga announcement. Tomorrow po, samahan niyo po kami sa ating Engage Awards to celebrate lahat ng achievements ng ating mga Sante business owners. Hakot po kayo dyan. Kasi I'm sure yung mga first-timers nyo po, mga bagong members, mamomotivate po sila, mai-inspire po sila. Kasi makikita nila, hindi lang tayo kwento, hindi lang tayo basta chika-chika, totoong nangyayari ang mga achievements dito sa Sante International. Siyempre, ang tao, di ba, Erica, to see is to believe. So, bukas, they will surely believe because they will actually see with their very two eyes na totoo ang achievements na nakukuha dito sa Sante International. Ang daldal ko, it's 8:22, ladies and gentlemen. Pasok tayo, Mambing, sa 90 minutes. So, in behalf of the whole Sante Engage team, the whole Sante family, we thank you for joining us tonight again in another edition of the Sante Product Training brought to you by Sante Engage. Okay, so syempre ang inaabangan ng lahat, Mambing, ay picture taking. Pagbibigyan natin. Ang dami natin, 106 sa ating Zoom. So open your cameras. Buksan ang ating mga camera. Hi, Sir Lito Labrador. Shout out. Okay, shout out sa, sige, open nyo yung cameras nyo. I'll give you 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang bilis ng 10 seconds, no? So, open your cameras. O, yung mga baka may natutulog, gising na. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's page 1. We have 3 pages. Let's go to page 2. Dami. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yung page 2, puro smile pa rin. Puro picture lang naman. Pero ano pala. 1, 2, 3, puro pangalan. Yeah, but anyway, thank you for joining us tonight. No, another Sante product training. Ang ganda ng Mambing, kasi short lang, tapos meron kayong 2 testimonies, no? Actual testimonies ng mga gumaling. So, I'll unmute everybody if you want to say thank you sa ating mga speakers. Yan. Unmuted. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sante Engage. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir Ian. Salamat Engage team.
Thank you, Ma'am Erica. Thank you, Ma'am Ray.
God bless.
Thank you, Sir Ian. Salamat.
Thank you, Ma'am Virginia.
Thank you sa lahat. More learnings to
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mambing and Sir Ian.
Thank you rin po. Congratulations, Noreen, Grisel, Erica. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sa lahat.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
O yan, mag-picture kayong 4. Screenshot nyo na lang.
Ang cute.
1, 2, screenshot. Kayo na mag-screenshot. Hindi ako na. Sige na nga, ako na nga din. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Thank you po.
Send ko na lang sa
Thank
inyo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mambing and Sir Ian.
Bye.
Thank
Thank you, Sir Ian. Thank you, Erica. Thank you, Ma'am Bing.
Kaya mo bumati yung anak mo, makita siya sa TV.
Hi, Ma'am Virginia.
Bye-bye. Spotlight. Bye-bye. Ang aga natin natapos, ang haba ng babay natin. Sige, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Wow.
Bye-bye. Okay, totoo na to. Ending the live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.